Your attention, please. One show for you to see. One for you and everyone. Inside, I say inside, you sit down on your tail feathers. You see more than 200 flowers, tikis, and all my relations. Those amazing birds, they come to life. For 17 minutes, no one takes a siesta, especially the audience. Wait till you hear the tikis do the Hawaiian war chant. See, that is what everyone is saying about the tiki room. Aloha, aloha. I do not know what that means, but I like the sound. Aloha. Come to the tiki room. Fly to the tiki room. This has been a recording. Stop walking while I'm squawking. Aloha. It is time for me to tell you all about the Tiki Room. It is a show brought to you by Audio Animatronics, which is a big word. But believe you me, it is even harder to explain. The resistor is connected to the capacitor is connected to the transformer is connected to the toggle switch switch connected to the antenna is connected to the control track connected to the bird brain connected to the tape I blew a fuse. Turn me off. Blew a fuse. Turn me off. Blew a fuse. Thank you. Ay. Buenos dias and caramba. Up here I am. Wake up down there. I have a few thousand things in my feather brain to tell you about the Tiki Room. The birds tell jokes, the flowers sing, the tikis chant, and it is air conditioned. Excuse me, I am allergic to feathers. If you think that is easy, you should try it sometime. You probably wonder why I am resting up here. It is because I am tired. It is because I want to tell you about the Tiki Room. The show starts in just a few minutes. If you think that is easy, you should try it sometime. You probably wonder why I am resting up here. It is because I am tired. It is because I want to tell you about the Tiki Room. The show starts in just a few minutes. Diddle 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 dum dee diddle 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 yum dee super fragile cow, super cauliflower, super califragilistic enchanted Tiki Room. Get your expialidocious tickets right here.